If you have a little one that loves to do their nails, I definitely recommend you checking out this nail art studio. It has so many different things that you can use, including this booklet where you or your child can practice painting the patterns that you want on it. It comes with 10 sheets of these fun, vibrant little stickers that'll go perfectly on their little fingernails. And here you can see the 10 different colors of water-based nail polishes, and there's a fun little letter things that they can put on their nails, two different kinds of glitter, gems, and one other thing of embellishments. Here is the thin little paintbrush that you can use to do lines with. And you will also see that there is a dot tool if you want to put polka dots or lines or draw designs. That is what you use for the that. And it does come with 2 different types of tweezers to help pick up the embellishments and the stickers to put them on the right spot on the nail. Makes it super easy to use. I do want to mention that these nail polishes don't have any odor, and they come off very easily after soaking them for about 1 to 2 minutes. On the box, it gives you lots of different examples for you to start with, and I'm going to show you here me just playing around on the notepad doing a black nail polish, and I'll put some different overlays on it. I used the dot tool here to put a few pink polka dots to show you, and then you'll see me grab the tweezers and a little flower embellishment, which was super cute. I went ahead and added a sticker on it just so I can show you, and I think it was the final good touch. You always want to put a clear coat or 2 over the top to make sure it's smooth for your little one and shiny. You don't want that coming off. I definitely recommend it. Would make a great gift and you would enjoy it.